Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Srujan Study Circle. In my previous video, we have discussed about acids, bases and salts. I hope you all have understood the topic and hit that like button. So in our today's video, we are going to discuss about reproduction in plants. So what is reproduction? I have told in one of the previous video, that is basic characteristics in animals. I have told the definition of reproduction. If you haven't watched that video, then please go and watch that video. I will give the link in the I button above. So, in our today's video, we are going to discuss about reproduction in plants. Reproduction is a process in which the organisms give birth to the young ones. This process is known as reproduction. Now, in these organisms, we have two types, animals and plants. In our today's video, we are only going to discuss about plants. Now, in this reproduction, we have two types, that are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means organisms need another individual organisms for reproduction, and asexual reproduction means the individual organisms can give birth to their young ones without the help of another individual organism. In this asexual reproduction, we have again some more types. So now in this video, we are going to discuss about them. So let us begin with our today's topic, reproduction in plants. Okay guys, so as I have told that there are two types in reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. Now in this asexual reproduction, we have 5 types. What are they? Let us see. Budding, binary fission, spore formation, fragmentation and vegetative reproduction. These are the 5 types of asexual reproduction. First, let us know what is budding. So this is the chart of reproduction in plants. Asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, budding, binary fission, spore formation, fragmentation and vegetative propagation are the types of asexual reproduction. So now let us know what is budding. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in plants in which the cell of the plant divides and stick on the parent organism, and a cell is divided and stick on the parent organism like this. This is the cell, and this grows and becomes a individual plant, individual organism after some time. Okay, before, after. First, the cell of the organism go and stick on the parent organism, and again it grows into a individual organism. So this process is called the budding. Now let us know what is binary fission. Now what is binary fission? Binary fission is occurred in a single celled or unicellular organisms. The single celled organisms is divided into 2 equal daughter cells. Okay, this is a single organism. This is divided into equal 2 daughter cells. So these both are equal in size and everything. So this is mainly occurred in an organisms called amoeba. This is an microorganism. So now the next type of asexual reproduction is spore formation. So now let us see what is that. Okay, now what is spore formation? Spore formation is a type of asexual reproduction. In plants like ferns, they produce special or spherical cells in the special structures called capsules. Okay, this are the fern leaves. In this there are spherical structures, and which are very special to them because in that we have spores. Okay, these spores are very light that they can float in the air. These float in the air and settle to a particular place, and then this grows into individual plants. So this process is known as spore formation. Now let us know what is fragmentation. What is fragmentation? Fragmentation is the process in which the plants like Spirogyra are broken into fragments or pieces. Okay, it breaks into fragments or pieces. This means pieces. Okay, and this grows into separate individuals. So this is the structure. This breaks into two. This is broke into two parts, and these both are grown into individual plants. So this is fragmentation. So now let us know what is vegetative propagation. Okay, our fifth type of asexual reproduction is vegetative propagation. In this we have two types. Okay, that are natural and artificial vegetative propagation. In this natural propagation we have three types. Propagation through stems, propagation through roots, and propagation through leaves. Propagation through leaves. First, let us know what is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in which the young ones are produced from the parts of the plant like roots, stems or the leaves. Okay, in this we have two types, natural and artificial. In natural we have three types: propagation through stems, propagation through roots and propagation through leaves. So now let us know what is propagation through stems. Okay guys, so what is propagation through the roots? So now let us see the examples for the roots. We have carrot, sweet potato, turnip, and radish, etc., which are the roots itself, but we eat them as the vegetables. They are the main part of the plant. So these four grows in the root system. They are the root. Mainly this grows into taproot systems. This is the carrot or the radish. From here they grow the shoot system. Okay. From here the shoot system is produced. So this is propagation through roots. So now let us know what is propagation through stems. Okay, so now we have 5 types of propagation through stem. So there are propagation through stems, There are 5 types. Which are they? Let us see. They are tuber, rhizome, bulb, corm, and runners. So now let us see them one by one. First is tuber. The example for a tuber in the propagation through stems is potato. Okay, example is potato. So in this, basically we have the tiny holes present in the potatoes. These are known as eyes of the potatoes, and from this the leaves and the branches are grown. Okay, this is a stem, working as a stem in the plant here. Now example for rhizome is ginger. Now what is the characteristic of rhizome? It grows only horizontally. So the ginger grows, or the rhizomes grows only horizontally. Okay, so once the ginger is grown, here it's produced some branches and some leaves here. Then after some interval of time, it grows like this. It is a stem, then the leaves are grown only horizontally. Okay, now example for bulb is onion. So now what is a bulb? It is also a type of stem. Okay, it is a type of stem. It is something like this. From here the plant is grown. Now it is covered by fleshy leaves. It is on the bulb's leaves. They are very fleshy. Now this is the example for bulb. Now what is corm? So the example for corm is crocus. So basically in this, the stem is the under of the ground. Okay, it is swollen, and here there is this swollen part of the stem is known as corm here. Okay, corm. Now in this, the glucose and the fats is stored, and which helps in the reproduction. So this is about corms. Now let us see runners. The best example for runners is strawberry. Okay, example strawberry. Okay, now once the seeds of strawberry are in the underground, okay, this grows into a stem. Okay, and this produces some branches and leaves. Okay, this grows into plants and strawberries are grown. Now here the roots are there. This also works like something like rhizomes, but it is different from that. So now these roots grow like this. Again they grow into some stems, branches and leaves. Strawberry are produced. Again the roots goes like this. Again they are produced after some interval of time. But this also works in rhizomes. But in these runners we have both vertically and horizontally. This is horizontally. Now some of the roots go like this. Here also a strawberry plant is produced. Again here like this. It grows under the ground. Okay, this also goes like this straight and horizontal. So this is about runners.